Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to treat dry, cracked heels at home. This would be a simple tutorial, so let's get right into this video. Now, I have seen many people use very sharp objects like professional knives to cut off the skin on the heel, and that is a great method, but that is not really something that you can do at home. That is something that you should leave to the pros. I'm going to show you the method that I use to make sure that my heels are nice and relatively soft, because you're probably thinking, you know, why are you telling us about treating dry, cracked heels when your heels are not really that dry and not really that cracked? Well, because they were. But this is the method that I use to make sure that they don't ever get like that again. So I went out and got a foot file, okay? These things are really, really inexpensive, extremely easy to use. You kind of can't really mess it up. I mean, it's simple enough that you can't really cause any damage to your foot or any harm or anything like that. And basically, most of the time, they're going to have a coarse side and a more fine side. So this is the coarse side, it's a little bit rougher, and then this is the fine side. It's not as rough, okay? What you're gonna need is one of these, and then you're also gonna need your favorite cream. I generally like to use this right here, which is Glycomed. This is a hand cream, but I also use it on my feet because it really is a nice thick cream, so it does a great job. And then I also use this right here. Now this is an aftershave. It's also a body and face lotion, so this is like something I use like everywhere, pretty much all the time. But whatever cream is fine. You don't have to use any particular cream. So what you want to do is start off with the coarse side, so the rough side, okay? And you're gonna want to basically just go all along your heel. Okay, and even though my heel isn't even that dry and it isn't even that cracked, I'm still getting a lot of the heel dust, the skin dust on the floor right there. Okay, so you want to just go all around, okay? You can even see, hopefully you can see this, but on here it's even coming off. And make sure your heels are very dry. So, you know, either do this after you've showered and your heels are completely dry, your feet are completely bone dry at that point, or just, you know, make sure that they haven't been wet recently at all, okay? You really just want to sort of get as much of the skin off as you can, okay? And you can take a couple minutes to do this. Just take it easy, get all that skin off. You can even see the coloration on you. You can see all that skin is coming off right there. And I don't know if you see this on the floor. Let's just bring the camera there. If you can see all of this right here, but that's all dry skin that's coming off. So even though my heels aren't even that cracked, there's still quite a bit coming off. Sorry about that. This is the side I should have been using right there. So basically rub off all of that dry skin like that. And then once you're done with the coarse side, move to the fine side, okay? The side that's a little bit softer, and this is gonna fine tune your skin. This is gonna get rid of any small little skin particles that are left on there that have already been sort of grinded off or filed off, but you just wanna clean it up. Now already you can see my heel already looks much softer, okay? So at this point what you're gonna do is you're gonna wipe it off. Some people like to clean their heel at that point. I don't recommend that because your skin is like, at this point, it's really extremely soft. You want to take advantage of this and let the cream soak in. So what I'll do is I'll get some of the cream that I'm going to use, just a little bit. You don't need that much, just a little bit, okay? Rub it on the heel like that, okay? Now, remember, at this point, what I would recommend is that you put a pair of socks on. For two reasons. First of all, it's going to allow that softness to really, that cream to really get in there without removing any of it onto the floor. Secondly, you might sort of get the cream on the floor all in your house if you decide to just all of a sudden go walking with your heels that have cream on them. Okay, so put some socks on, and then I would recommend that you leave the cream on without washing it and without having your feet sweat for probably at least 2 hours or so. That's really going to allow your heels to soften up. So my heels were already really soft because I've done this on a weekly basis, but it works wonders. Now it's not going to get rid of, if you have a massive amount of dry skin and it's really cracked, it's not going to heal the whole thing in one time. This is something that you would do, you know, once a week for a few weeks, and by the end of that few week period, your skin is going to be super soft, and you're not cutting any skin off or anything like that. This is a nice, natural, at-home method, and it's kind of foolproof for the most part. And as you can see, my skin looks soft, and it feels soft, and it's just very smooth at this point. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.